wondered how to cook roast pork, we are going to show you how to cook a delicious roast loin of pork with crackling, gravy, and applesauce. We are using 1.4 kilogram loin of pork on the bone, salt, red onion, olive oil, cabbage, and leeks. We will show you how to cook applesauce in a separate video in the link below. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees centigrade for a pan-assisted oven. Our joint of pork has been prepared by the butcher. The rind has already been scored. I am going to brush the skin with oil and sprinkle with salt to help give a crispy crackling. I am placing the pork in a roasting pan on top of 2 onion halves. We will roast for around 1 hour and 40 minutes. The pork is now cooked. We will cover with tin foil and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. The garlic. Season with salt and pepper. Okay.